Hi, this is Lynn from Draw with Lynn. Let's make this cute little duck in Nomad Sculpt. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Sculpting. Delete the default sphere that appears on the screen. Then create a new quad sphere. Validate it to unlock all the sculpting tools. Go to Gizmo. Adjust the shape into an egg-like form. Then go to Drag and slightly increase the radius. Make sure that Symmetry is turned on. Push the middle area inward to separate the head and body. You can use a higher radius to prevent the sculpture from denting while dragging. Do the same on the front and back. Then pull the back out to form the tail. If the upper part looks smaller and rounder, and the lower part looks chubbier with a sharper back, then move to the front view. And go to Trim. Choose Rectangle and turn on Auto Validate. Drag across the lower rounded area. It will cut automatically, but it may cause the object to crack. To fix this, go to Voxel. Increase the resolution to around 200 and tap Remesh. This helps increase the density of the object. Next, go to Smooth and slightly increase the radius. Brush and soften the sharp parts and dents. There is another way to make it even smoother and rounder. Open Operation, then drag Smooth to the right. It smooths the entire surface. Now, let's make the feet. Add a new quad sphere. Turn on Mirror. And validate it. Before that, let's rename each object. Name the body part Body. And name this one Feet. Then, go to Gizmo. Scale it down. Place it beneath the body. And move it toward the edge. Adjust the shape into a rice-like form. Turn on X-ray to see the hidden object without hiding the other object. Go to Drag. Make the back of the feet sharper. And the front edge flatter and wider. Then turn off X-ray. Now, let's add the webbing lines to the feet. Go to Crease. Turn on X-ray again. Tap Voxel and increase the resolution to around 200. And tap Remesh. Draw two lines on the front of the feet like this. And go to Trim. Drag across the lower rounded area. I think the feet are too close to the body. So, use Gizmo and move it down. Go to Smooth and smooth it out slightly. Then turn off X-ray. Add a new quad sphere below body to escape the mirrored layer. Rename it to Bill. And validate it. Go to Gizmo. Then make it smaller and place it in front of the head area. Flatten it and sink it halfway in. Go to Drag. Decrease the radius slightly. Move the top middle area upward. Make sure that symmetry is turned on. Use a lower radius for small detail adjustments. Then smooth it out. Let's make the eyes. In the front view, add a new quad sphere. Turn on mirror. Rename it to Eyes. And validate it. Go to Gizmo. Make it smaller and place it on top of the bill like this. After that, clone the eyes like this. Then change the color to black. Go to Stroke Painting, tap the color palette, and choose black. Then click Paint All. Then move it forward slightly and make it smaller to separate the white and black eye areas. And the last one is the wings. Create a new quad sphere below body. Turn on mirror and rename it to Wings. Then validate it. Make it smaller and place it on the belly. Shape it into a rice-like form, then move it diagonally. Go to Drag and increase the radius. Shape the upper part to be sharper and the lower part rounder. Go to Smooth and brush it slightly. Then go to Crease. Open Voxel and set the resolution to around 200. And click Remesh. Draw 2 lines on the lower part. Go to Smooth. And brush it slightly. Coloring. Tap the object you want to color. Go to Stroke Painting. Open the color palette and pick yellow. Then click Paint All. Use the same color for the bill. So we just need to tap Paint All. And for the body, I'll use beige. Set the roughness to 0.10. Then press Paint All. Do the same for the wings. Lighting. Go to Shading and make sure the object is in the front view. Then press Add Light. Drag the red circle to the top and drag the green circle down like this. Then switch to the back view. Press Add Light again. Place the light in the same position as the previous one. Switch to the right view. And tap Add Light again. But this time, place it at the bottom. Make sure all sides are bright. If so, our cute little duck is done. Now let's switch to turntable mode. Tap the Nomad Sculpt logo. I set the speed to 0.38. Then check Turntable. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial.